Hello everyone, Chef Marisa Catanzaro. Today we're going to be making chicken Parmigiana. This dish will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need: chicken, egg, panko, marinara sauce, corn oil, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, flour, chopped parsley, black pepper, salt, and mozzarella cheese. I'm going to set up my breading station. Put the flour in this plate. Flour first. The egg. Going to coat it nicely. Set them aside. Okay, the oil is good and hot, 350, and fry them golden, and that's it. That's the color they should be. Perfect. I'm gonna assemble the chicken Parmesan. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.